My name is Sarah Mitchell. I'm the regulatory manager at Remington-Davis. I help contribute to everything from the very beginning stages of talking to sponsors about bringing us on board to work on their project, all the way through the very last meeting to close our studies out. The very end. You start to build a relationship with the sponsors kind of from that very initial touch point. Because when you work on a trial, sometimes your trials are 6 months long, sometimes they're 5 years long. So you sometimes really get to know these people. Sometimes they almost kind of become part of your fabric of your day-to-day work, depending on how busy your trial is with them. So I enjoy kind of creating a working friendship with each of them. And it's great because we all do a little bit different jobs, but we're all working together to have the same end result, which is to help drug development and making drugs more accessible to everyone in different facets of life. I work closely with all of our PIs, manage almost all of their schedules here, all of the meetings, and continuing to, like I said, create the relationships with the sponsor representatives that do come to our site. So we like to make sure they're in really nice rooms like this one that you can kind of see in the background with a pretty view outside. We try to make them feel really comfortable and at home when they're here with us. I really like that they enjoy coming here and like working with us, and I can tell that because most of them choose to bring their managers here. We'd like to do a quick startup here, and we can do a lot of pivoting and make it very fast because all of the decision makers are here in our office. We don't have extra committees that we need to go through or additional IRB clearances or anything like that. We have constant access to our PIs, like phone, text, electronic signature, and our PIs are in the office very regularly, so it makes it very easy and quick for us to do a fast turnaround and get things in order. Really enjoy all of our physicians that we have here. They all kind of have different backgrounds and a different journey and how they came to Remington-Davis or got into research. They're so great to work with. I cannot say better things about the physicians that I get to work with.